Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna show you how to make pickles out of bamboo shoots. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. So we're having salt, vinegar, water, green chili, string beans, carrots, bamboo strips, sugar, ginger, garlic, and the onions. Oh, they can hear it. First, we're gonna. Before that, we have to mix these ingredients with water. All with the water, like 1 cup of water. Mix it like 1/2 cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon, no, 2 teaspoons of salt. So we're gonna mix it first, like this. We're gonna dissolve the salt and sugar in water and vinegar. Pour the mixture in the pan. Slowly. Put the ginger and now we're gonna add the onions. Just wait the water to boil to cook them. Once the ginger and the onion are soft, just add the string beans in it. So we're gonna check for the beans. It's done. Now we're gonna add the carrots. And the green chili. Sounds interesting. Like let it boil like another 3 minutes for this chili. The garlic. Maybe you are wondering why I add the garlic at the end. Because I want to add the flavor and the food so you can, you know, and I think we're almost done. It's time to add the bamboo shoots. Strips bamboo shoots. So the aroma of the garlic is still there. Just do the mixing. In order to cook evenly. I like the flavor, I like the smell, the aroma of the garlic. done and ready to serve. Let's drain the plate. So we're gonna try our cooked pickles. This is I want to recommend you for the best appetizer. Guys, bamboo shoot pickles. Let me try it. No, I want because this is one of my favorite. Mmm. You know the ingredients are still crunchy, and the flavor of the garlic plus the chili. Super amazing. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification button. See you on my next vlog. Bye.